Hey guys, so I am putting together a fake flower planter. So you can see that I got the things where you stick the flowers in it. You know you get flowers off the Facebook, and when you get the flowers, the fake flowers, it's not really what it says it's supposed to be. So I ordered it, and it came, and it was crap. Let's just say that. It's not good at all. So I'm gonna make my own. Got some soil here, and I got really pretty flowers. I don't know how long it's gonna last in this hot Arizona summer, but I got 3 kinds of flowers. So this is the first kind here. And I'm going to put this seed on the outside. And there you go. What do you guys think? It's my first arrangement. And it's in the corner. Just like that. Looks good, eh? Thank you for watching. Bye.